Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on DOOGEE S Punk. So you have to start by opening your Google application and then click on your avatar, and now you have to go to settings. Then click on Google Assistant and click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now click here on Hey Google and then click on More and I agree. Now click on More and I agree again. And then click on Next. And click on Retrain Voice Match Model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click Next. And then you can go back and click on lock screen. Then click Yes, I'm in. And now make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant now works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.